Man, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Soldier Boy Eli, and today I'm back again with another video. And today, I got another little dog content video I just want to do for y'all today. So basically, I got my pit bull. Her name's Khali. I got her a shock collar because I've been wanting to train her and teach her the little small things and like sit down, not jump up on people and stuff like that, because that's what she loves to do. You know what I'm saying? She is a very playful dog, but a lot of people don't be wanting her to jump up on her. Some people be scared, you know what I'm saying? Some people just don't want dogs jumping up on them and stuff like that. So, I'm trying to train her to, not, jump up on them and do stuff like that. So today, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to, do the basic commands with her, which is sit down, come here and stuff like that. I'm just going to basically do that. And like I said, this is going to be a little short video. And basically giving y'all a review on this Busonic dog shock collar, whatever it's called. Yeah, dog training collar. Busonic dog training collar. And this thing has shock. It has the vibrator button. And then it has the beat button, which literally just it just tells you that it's working and stuff like that. So, or you can, find your dog wherever they at. That little loud beep, it'll beep where they at. So yeah, but like I said, I just want to give a little show y'all that this does work. I've been doing it with her for a little bit, but I want to make a little video on it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, doing the review on the Busonic dog training collar. So let's go out here and let's show y'all what it does. And if it does do something, like I said, I only had this for like a couple days, probably like 1 or 2 days that I've been using on my dog, and she's been doing a little good. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, this is my little pit bull. Her name Khali. As y'all can see, she's grown so big ever since I had her. There go my little boy Knox. Finna let him outside, and then I'm gonna let him back inside because I'm trying to train her. So yeah, we finna go do that. And yeah. Oh yeah, and also before I do want to show y'all the like I said, the different settings. You can turn it up. You just push this little thing down, it's gonna start blinking. Then you can turn the level up. I think it goes up to 16 on all of them. And you can do the shock too, and it'll it'll change. I ain't gonna do it right now because she out there outside. But yeah, basically like I said, you got the vibrator and the shock. I only use the shock like if she does something wrong, like bad or something like that, she tearing something up, shock her, or just doing something that she's not supposed to be doing, I'll shock her just to get her back on track. This is right here to teach her, like to train her, which is like sit down, come here, you know what I'm saying, the basic commands. So yeah, that's why I say I only use the shock for like to punish her or something, you know what I'm saying, if she does something bad, or what I'm saying, if she really is not paying attention, then you use it. And this right here, this is to get her attention too, but for like to train her with it, like to sit down and not jump up on people, you know what I'm saying, or like I said, just doing basic stuff, basic commands. So yeah, I'm finna let him go out there, use the bathroom, then I'm gonna bring him inside, then I'm gonna go out there and train her. Come on, Khali, sit. You can do it. Come on, sit down, sit down. Come on, sit. Come on, you can do it. Sit, Khali. Sit. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come here. Come on. So you gotta hold it. Come on. Outside. So I'm gonna start with her outside again. All right, now come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. See, she doing it. Good girl. I gotta give her a treat. You know what I'm saying? Got her a little treat in this little paper towel joint. There you go. Oh, I'll get it. Right there. All right, same thing. I'm gonna walk this way. She don't want to look. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Khali. Come here. Now sit. Sit. Come here. Sit. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Khali. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Khali. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good girl. As I can see, it's working. She should get another treat. So you always praise him. Good girl. Good girl. I'm gonna try it again. Come on, Khali. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. See, at first she was not doing this at all. She was not doing this at all, chat. There you go. Look at that. That's 3 times she did it. So that shows y'all that this actually works. Now, I'm gonna see, do she come in the house? Because at first she that's another thing I struggle with. She does it with my girlfriend. She does better with her. But me, she doesn't want to act like she doesn't want to come in the house. So I'm gonna show y'all the shock button. The shock button, it may make her scared and stuff like that. She may scream. It's just something that she's scared of, you know what I'm saying? She's not used to getting shocked. Or like I said, I barely use this button. I really don't want to use it, but so I'm just using it for an example, to show her, to correct her to come on. But I can also use this too to make her come in the house. So we're gonna use this for right now. And I'm gonna, like I said, use the shock button when they actually does something bad, like wrong, where they know it's bad. So I'm gonna show y'all her coming in the house. Right, come on, Khali. Come on. Come on, Khali. Come on. Come on, Khali. Come on. There you go. Come on. Cage. Right, y'all see, I pressed the button and it worked. She goes right to her cage. And yeah. And that's how, like I said, that's how it works. Y'all see the shock collar. The shock, it worked when it first started. But using the shock button is always best to use it when they do something wrong. Use this to train them. That's what this is for to train them, so they know to do it the next time. Like you open them, let them out. You want them to come back in, they should instantly do it. You should have to use this. Or if you tell them to sit, they should automatically sit down. You know what I'm saying? But use this right here only if they do something bad. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, when you shock her, she's gonna scream because she's not used to it. She's not used to being shocked, or what I'm saying, or just feeling uncomfortable. So yeah, yes, I exhausted her. As y'all can see, she ain't got exhausted. Now she ready to lay down. But I really need to get her a bigger cage because she's growing too big. Like she ain't got big over the past couple months I had her. She's grown so big, and she's only, I think, 7 months. So I know she got a little bit more growing to go. And yeah, that my boy Noxie, man, he just over there chilling. If y'all haven't go watch the video with me and Noxie, when I watched them, go watch that video. But like I said, this video was based off her. Like I said, she's a puppy, and using these dog collars, it actually works. It actually works, as y'all can see. At first, I was not getting, the response for her sitting down. She did not want to sit down. She always wanted to jump up on people. She always barking when people come in the house. She always, she don't listen. Like when I tell her to come in the house or tell her to do something, she doesn't want to do it. So, I use this right here. And like I said, the battery life on it lasts long. It's waterproof. It's just an overall good dog collar a dog collar device, or ECollar. So, like I said, it's best to start him out with something like this, because he started out with one like this and he got right literally instantly the same month or week. She used it on him. So, like I said, I'm going to use this on my puppy, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it works. So would I recommend it? Yes. And if y'all want the link to it, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. Like I said, it got everything on there. Like I said, as y'all can hear. Oh, I'm sorry. I scared it's that little beat button, but it's the beat button that you can use to find them. As y'all can see. I'm sorry, mamas. You can go to sleep. Lay down, lay down. Yeah. But yeah, this is the little beat button. Like I said, the battery life lasts a whole lot. It's been on for literally about 4-5 days now. And, you know, like I said, I've been using it, so yeah. But I recommend y'all get it one for y'all dogs, man. If you're having a hard time training them, because, you know, I work 12 hours. You know, my girlfriend works too, so it's hard for us to, you know, teach a dog how to, you know, do the basic stuff, you know, while also, you know, her tearing up stuff and doing other bad things. You know, it's hard to do it. So, you know, get this right here, and I'm telling you, it's gonna change your life. So, but yeah, if y'all enjoyed that video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all also go follow, like I said, go watch the last video with me and my other dog, Knox, me washing him and stuff like that. And if y'all want me to do a video washing her, I may do it. I don't know. Like I said, it's the same process. You know, she's more easier because she doesn't do all that, you know, whining and hollering that, you know, he does. But, you know, so let me know. And like I said, I'm also do some more videos with him before she gets gone, because I am gonna be getting rid of her. She's going, but she's not leaving my family. She's going to another person in my girlfriend's family. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna miss her. You know, like I said, I just wanted to train her before I do give her away, because like I said, she needs to know the basic stuff, like sit down, you know, come here, you know, go to your cage, you know, she just needs to know the basic commands, you know what I'm saying? So she won't be out there just losing her mind over somebody that knew that she doesn't know. So yeah. But well, she's, like I said, she's kind to everyone, so it's not like she won't be, you know, like she's a mean dog. She loves playing with other dogs. She loves playing with, you know, like I said, she loves playing with people. So, you know, she's a friendly dog, you know what I'm saying? You don't get that out of most pit bulls. Like, you really don't. Like, most pit bulls, they're aggressive. They don't want you to do nothing. Like, I was at the park the other day, and it was this black pit bull out there with her. And, you know what I'm saying, she wasn't being aggressive. She wasn't fighting her or nothing. She just, you know, that dog that was out there playing. She was playing, well, he was out there playing with his ball. And, you know, Khali approached him, and he started growling at her. But, you know, so he was just trying to use that as a technique to let her know that this is his ball and he doesn't want her to play with it. So, hey, like I said, some people, they are protective over their stuff. Some people, they, you know, they just is what it is. They like playing with anything and, you know, everything. So, I'm glad I got a good pit bull that really doesn't be aggressive. That's not really that aggressive. That doesn't really bite. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't bite people. She doesn't even bite people no more. Like, she used to love to bite and stuff like that. She don't even do none of that no more. So, you know, I'm kind of glad that she grew out of that. She's, you know, when she was a young puppy, she was a lot to handle. But, you know, I got her right. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Search Your Boy Eli, and I'm out.